Well, what do we have here? Another unboxing. This is my first time gonna unbox. I just got these in. I got these early on the shock drop. So let's see what's in. I'm gonna do it real quick. No intro, no outro. I'm gonna do another full video so you can, I'm gonna do a comparison video on this. As you can already see, is that Jordan 1 box. Yeah, y'all already know I don't like Jordan 1. I just so happen to get a good amount. If I can get this done, stupid tape off. Yeah, all good, right? Okay, hold on. Bam to the bam, bam. As you can see, Jordan 1 box. Early shock drop. Thank you, Nike XS, size 10.5, Fisher colorway, black, white, Game Royal. 170 things, QR code. Nike, now they just leave you with the email. If you want to send them back, you send them back. Real quick overview on these Royal things. You see you got the stamp of ramp right there. When I do the next video, I'm going to do a comparison between these and the actual Royal things. Get that sniff test. Yeah, they legit. Y'all already know one's got that smelly smell. And bam. Bam, bam, bam. This is what they look like. And people, I will say these are better in person than the actual pics. Spinning around, spinning around, spinning around. Very, very dope. Okay. All right. You got me on these ones. You got me on these ones. Not sure. Leather soft to touch. The Obsidians, though, are definitely more fire than these. I should have kept those. As you can see, you got your Nike on the bottom with the trademark R. You got your leather right here, pretty soft on the toe box. On top, you got the blue toe. Nike Air up there. Traditional stuff. Inside, you already know your shoe tree. It says 10 to 10.5. You got your extra laces. Should be rolled like so. If you don't have a roll like that, I don't know what to tell you. On the side panel, not too bad. Cushion for the pushing. You got this new Air Jordan logo. Pretty soft around here for the ankles. Got a little imperfection right there, but not too bad. Jordan brand, not too bad. The Royal joints. Okay, so Air Jordan 1 Royal toe. So I don't know. We'll see. A full review coming soon, like I said, because I also got the other Royal. I do a comparison video so y'all can see. Just want to do a real quick look. QR code inside. You can see you got that as well. You let me know what you think. Y'all gonna be copying these next week. They drop. I was just lucky, like I said, to get access and to get these in pretty quick. That was pretty fast. So as you know, we're on the road to 10K. So please feel free to comment, like, subscribe. We're going to be up on this channel tonight. Who has the heat? Cold Master 559 versus Rainman GQ on at Retro 313 Retro Queen. All right. So without that, I'm out. Do the full review later. Emoneyshoes, KO4, brick by brick. We out. Peace.